Yuri, precinct is secure. And I just found out what it means to be Sable's priority target. Not fun.
That'll teach you to piss off international mercenaries.
Guess so. I'm headed across the park to deal with Electro. Call you when I'm there.
Great. I'll let my men know to expect you.
Miles left a voicemail.
Pete! Hey, Pete. Hey, May wanted me to call you. Things at the Veteran Center are not good. Convicts are trying to break down the doors. Mary Jane's here, but we're getting people out to the basement. We need more help. I hope you can get here soon.
I need to finish with the precincts fast and get to Harlem. I'm starting to think you guys don't like Rikers much. I'll get you!
Over here! Hurry!
Sorry I couldn't save the van, but look on the bright side. New van!
Attention units, the food supply station is being raided by looters. All units, officer presence needed to subdue a riot. Please proceed to Columbia.
haven't seen the city this bad since... well, since never.
All units, immediate assistance requested. Officers are under fire. Report came in near Gracie Mansion. Over.
This isn't good. Transformers are charging the building, trapping the police inside. Yuri, complicated was an understatement. I'm gonna have to disable these transformers to free your men.
Even if you manage that, they'll still need your help with the demons.
That's why I'm here, ready to serve all your electricity and demon-related needs. One more of these. Man, I did not miss dealing with Electro's elaborate supervillain antics while he was in the raft. Trapping the police with a network of energy transformers? Who does that? Police are free, but demons aren't backing down. Need to lend a hand. Okay, Yuri. Both precincts are secure. I need to sign off for a bit. Call me if things go south.
Will do. And thanks. You've given us a fighting chance.
Okay. Need to hustle to Feast's sister site in Harlem and help May.
Peter, thank God. We need you at the Veterans Center. Where are you?
I got held up. Are you okay? What's happening?
The convicts started a fire. We got the building staff out, but May and Miles are trapped inside. I'm trying to find a way into them, but the fire's spreading so fast.
Stay where you are, MJ. I'll handle this. Damn it. Move it, Pete. Move!
This is Stable Control, requesting status update from Museum Mile. Observation post established. No sign of...
Okay. Need to hustle to Feast's sister site in Harlem and help May.
Peter, thank God. We need you at the Veterans Center. Where are you?
I got held up. Are you okay? What's happening?
The convicts started a fire. We got the building staff out, but May and Miles are trapped inside. I'm trying to find a way into them, but the fire's spreading so fast.
Stay where you are, MJ. I'll handle this. Damn it. Move it, Pete. Move! Glad Sable's after me now, too. As if I didn't have enough to worry about.
Peter, fire and rescue's on the way. I found a fire escape that'll get me...
MJ, stay back! I don't want to have to rescue you too!
Peter, don't be crazy. Wait for help.
May! May!
Here! We're over here! I got you.
Hang on!
Go! That man, you alright?
Get to the window!
It's too far.
Hold on!
Just brace yourselves. Come on, you stupid piece of... Come on, May. I've got you. Oh my God.
Go! Go!
right over there, second floor, and I just heard a loud noise.
Is May okay?
Everyone is safe.
MJ, if it weren't for you and Miles, I would have been...
As dead as I would have been the last 8,500 times you saved me. Pretty sure I still owe you a few.
That's smart.
Hey. I'm sorry I screwed things up. It's just hard being the one who always gets saved, you know? Sometimes I want to do the saving.
I'm sorry I made you feel like you couldn't. Still partners?
Always.
Hey, so I didn't know if, you wanted sparkling or flat or spring or mountain spring, so I got one of each. Am I interrupting?
No, MJ, Ms. Watson and I were just talking strategy.
Strategy?
That's right. The city is in danger. It needs our help.
All of our help.
All right, well, call the play, coach.
Okay. Divide and conquer. Ms. Watson, we need an anti-serum for Devil's Breath. Oscorp's developing something, but there's no way they can keep it safe from Octavius and Lee. We need to find the cure and protect it.
I'll chase down some leads.
Miles, you need to be my eyes and ears at Feast. Anything goes wrong, call me. We need to keep that place and the people there safe.
All right, you got it. What are you gonna do?
Gang of costume nutjobs is taking the city apart piece by piece. Time I return the favor.
All right. Hey, wait, how do I call you? I mean, you have like a cell phone in your pockets or something?
Ms. Watson can give you my number. Good luck, team.
You have his number. Are you Spider-Man's girlfriend? That'd be so cool.
Come on, Sherlock. Show me what you got in this water smorgasbord.
City feels a little more under control. Miles is watching Feast, MJ is tracking a Devil's Breath cure. Time for me to focus on finding Otto and stopping whatever he has planned. Yuri, we need to start tracking the big boys. Still no leads on Octavius?
No, nothing. Forensics can't even do a sweep of Times Square. Everyone in that department but the intern is sick.
I might be able to turn something up. Let you know what I find.
Douglas, this is Sable Control. Boss wants an update on your status.
Control, a group of civilians are inciting violence against peacekeepers. We're detaining and questioning the ringleaders.
It's happened.
people, the chickens have come home to roost. Of course, by chickens, I mean the lunatics who've escaped from Rikers Island.
Should have trusted Sable. She's crossed a line.
Sugar Hill Garrison, this is Control. What's your status? Armored Patrol is headed out. We'll report any sign of Spider-Man.
No selfies! The sad thing is, the state the city's in, I could use these guys on my side.
Spider-Man sighted, please advise. Deploy heavy ordnance.
Aw, is all that heavy ordnance for me? They're so sweet. Wash your windows?
our status in Morningside Heights?
Observation post established. No sign of priority target. Got him. Engaging priority target.
Oh, guys, this is really starting to verge on stalking. There. Hope that'll slow Sable down some. Hey, MJ, what's up? You okay?
I'm fine. Combing through Oscorp records. Hey, this is random, but you remember that trip we took to Staten Island with Harry?
To find the best pizza in the city? Yeah. 10-hour odyssey for burnt toast with cold American cheese. How could I forget?
Something about all these old Oscorp files made that day pop into my head. Harry was so excited about riding the ferry. Just made me think about how much simpler things were back then. No jobs, no supervillains. We could throw away a whole day looking for bad pizza just 'cause. Now it feels like if we take a nap, the world will fall apart.
Yeah, this adult thing is rough. But I guess the work we do means today's kids can have their own Staten Island adventures. In safety. Kind of a circle of life thing.
Circle of bad pizza. Yeah, you're right. That's a good way to look at it. Thanks, Pete.
Calling agents in Manhattanville, requesting an update on your status. Control, we are arresting civilians who refuse to cooperate with locating Spider-Man.
Sweet dreams.
SA-122, status report. Comms are down. Send a tech his way.
I copy. Search.
unite.
Spider-Man are down. Let's get him. SM-1 engaged. Moving in. We need a medic. Watch the left.
Okay, I think I'm gone.
Keep searching. We know he's here.
Snoring now. That's all of them. Let's find out what they were up to. Captain, these Sable guys look like they forced all the residents out of a building so they could occupy it themselves. And locked up the ones who objected.
Okay, that I can get something done about, but I need victims to come forward.
I'll get the people out and have them file reports with the police.
Positive ID on Spider-Man. Fire at will.
So, when you were little, did you say, I'm gonna grow up to be a fascist oppressor? Yeah, you probably did.
Surrender or die. He can't beat us all. Agent down. I can beat this guy. Stop resisting. Agent down.
Hey, reinforcements! Now it's a party!
We need more men. Fire in the hole. Get your cover. Take him out.
More? You guys realize there are actual criminals out there, right?
Where's our reinforcements?
Spider-Man, I confirmed your suspicions. People displaced from the residences are staying in shelters or on the street.
I know what it's like not to have anywhere to stay. It's a good thing these Sable agents have body armor, because I just might lose my temper.
What the hell just happened? Watch the
So, wait a minute! Private security, you guys aren't very private.
Attack! Attack! Grenade out!
And scene.
Captain, the people that were locked up are headed back to their homes.
Good. And I finally convinced the mayor's office that making constituents homeless was not good for his poll numbers, so they won't be pulling that stunt again.
Escaped convicts are driving around in stolen vehicles. Witness reported location at Sugar Hill.
You guys want to go back to jail? Terror!
Alarmist, paranoid, conspiracy theories. All nasty words people have used to insult and demean me. But now, after years of me trying to warn you all, here we are. Spider-Man has literally brought a plague down upon us. Why do I blame him and not Martin Lee? I do blame Martin Lee. He deserves swift justice, but he's a lunatic terrorist. This is what they do. Whereas Spider-Man claims to be a hero. Yes, he obviously knew about the threat and didn't warn us. He either thought he...
Yuri, this whole street's been taken over by Riker's inmates.
We've had calls from people who are afraid to leave their buildings.
Tell them to stay inside a little longer. There's gonna be some street cleaning. You're in timeout. Surprise! Someone needs a nap. You're done.
No one's gonna lock this again!
Spider! I don't know how he got in, but he ain't leaving. Typical New York. A vacancy opens up and everyone's rushing to take it. More of them? Guys, this isn't necessary. I'm already scared straight.
Spider-Man, I've spoken to people on the block who say the escapees tried to break into their buildings.
Fits with what I heard. They want to take one over.
They'll be a lot easier to deal with on the street, without hostages.
I'm working on it. Talk to you soon.
I'm gonna make you pay for that!
Oh, backup's here. Great. Okay, you guys sing doo-wah, and I'll sing lead. reinforcements here. Just people, you dig?
Say goodbye.
Captain, the block's quiet. Everyone in an orange jumpsuit is down for the count.
Great job. If they'd gotten into a residential building, they'd have done a lot of damage.
There is someone else who isn't emerging from this crisis in a positive
Attention units, we have an active hostage situation. Officers needed.
I'd tell you to make better choices next time, but let's be real. Hostage situation in the middle of a plague. Looks like the whole city's got the Parker luck.
I make the demands here, not you. I know. Hey, does this bus go by the Statue of Liberty? Get the hostages!
Convicts would use their freedom for something non-destructive, like knitting or canasta.
want to see.
Man down!
Sad part is, in an hour, these same guys will be back out chasing me. Hear me out. When you're out of prison, maybe ease up on the prison riots.
1043. Officer vehicle in need of immediate assistance. Available officers, Avalon Corpsville.
These guys are like potato chips. You can't beat just one. Great news! The 10th time I put you away, the beating is free!
Stable teams, this is Control. Requesting status update from Gracie Mansion.
Control, engaged in active pursuit of a fugitive vehicle.
Again? No, I get it. It's not like the city has real problems. You guys gotta know you deserve that, right? Hey, geniuses! I hadn't even seen you till you started causing trouble! Maybe you can scare some kids straight by telling them how miserable you are right now.
Bring him down!
Nuts. Hate it when they lie in wait.